Welcome guys. On this video I'm going to show you how to enable huge pages on your device. So what exactly is huge pages? Now let me show you what huge pages are and also what might interest you to enable huge pages. Now when you click on your mining, right, it actually displays an option that says huge pages. You notice mine says huge pages enabled, right? And then you notice the thread that I'm mining with is actually 2 core out of 4 threads, right? Now some people actually use higher or more. This is actually what is going to increase your mining hash rate, which is your HS, how your hash rates are. Now if you want to increase or enable your huge pages, follow these steps in this video. Let me close this mining because I just want to make this tutorial for you guys so that it will be very quick. So the first thing you do to enter in to enable your huge pages is to type in sec pool.msc, secpool.msc, not pool. So you type that and then you hit enter. It's going to bring you to this area. Next, you need to go to the local policy. You notice where it says local policy. Click on the drop down and you notice where it says user right and assessment. You click on that. So the user right and assessment is going to take you to this area. Now you need to scroll down and you are going to notice where it says lock pages in memory. So go ahead and scroll down to lock pages in memory and then you double click on that to have it open. Next, you need to add user. I'm actually okay with this because I already have this, but let me go ahead and show you guys. So you click on add users, right? Now under this area you click on advanced right here. Then you are going to notice where it says find right here. You click on find. Now under this area you are going to select either administrator or you say everybody, or you just choose on the particular name of your PC. But if you want it to be everybody on this PC, you can choose everyone right here. This is going to make it and assign it to everyone, but I already have that. So once you click on this, you are going to hit OK. Once you hit OK, it's going to appear on this area. You can notice I actually did that for everyone. You can also do it for administrator. Now you click on OK. So when you click on OK, you can now open your mining and it's going to show you huge pages enabled. And also you can also right click on it and then you do run as admin instead of just clicking on open or double clicking on it. You do run as an admin. Then it's going to show that huge pages is enabled. Once it shows that, you can start mining. But if you want to do it even further and to expand or to maximize your huge pages, there is also another thing to do. Now you go to control panel. This is not necessary anyway. You go to control panel and then you click on systems and then you go over to systems. Sorry, you click on securities and maintenance, right? Let me go back. From control panel you click on security, system and security, and then you go to system. Double click on system, is going to open. Wait for it. Now if this opens, you scroll down to the bottom and then you select advanced system settings. You click on that and you wait, and now you are going to notice it's under advanced system setting. Then you go to performance. You go to performance and you click on settings. Now under performance you go to advanced. Under performance you go to advanced, right? Now under advanced you are going to notice where it says virtual memory. Now under virtual memory you click on settings. Now under this area, this is actually where you expand. Now you notice on default is set to automatic managing page file sizes for all drives, and now I only have 1 drive. You deselect this and you can actually manually set the page size that you want. So you can click on custom size and then you set the page size that you want. You can notice right here it says the total paging size for all devices, this and this and this. But then you can also choose these settings. Once you double click on this, it's going to activate the system. It's going to allow the system to manage this. So you click on OK if you want that to be set. But if you want to choose custom, you can do that. And also you can also do no paging file if you do not want to have any paging file. And also you can also click on set and it's going to also set it for you. So I prefer either double clicking on this or clicking on this to be on default automatic. So if you're done, you click on OK, and you can notice this information that says the changes will be made once you restart your system. So confirm by clicking on OK, apply, click OK, close your system, and then you restart it. Then it's going to enable and it's going to increase your mining hash rate. So if this is okay for you and you are good and you're enjoying this, don't forget to smash like, leave a comment. I will see you guys on the next one. So if you have further issue doing this, leave it on the comment section, and then we are going to enjoy mining. So you can notice that you will not notice more changes once you start your mining, but after you have restart, you will notice a lot of changes. And you all know, okay, this was not available before, but now is available, and everything is enabled apart from GPU mining. I do not have GPU mining. So if this is showing the same way on your own, we are on the same page. But if it's not showing the same way, I think you need some tweaking to do, and you can leave it on the comment section, and also let me know on how many HS that you are mining. It is not going to update immediately anyway. It updates after 10 minutes, so I don't think I would notice any changes right here. But let me still open and see. I started mining on a different wallet. That's the reason why you can notice no last payment. I used a different wallet. And also guys, I am wondering maybe I should try this out. So I actually learned that I'm just sharing this info with you. This stuff that I'm mining right here is Global Boost, because Global Boost is on Yes Pool, and also Unitos, right? I am mining Global Boost and Unitos, and Global Boost and Unitos is not on most of the exchange that I use. So we are mining these guys, and then we are receiving payment in Raven. That is actually what is happening, because I did some research. I wanted to see why I am able to mine Raven on CPU, because Raven is supposed to be mined on Raven is supposed to be mined by a GPU miner, but I do not have a GPU. I'm mining this on a CPU, and it's actually working. So the only thing that actually worked, sorry guys, I did not deceive you. I did not even know that until I did that research. So we are mining and we are receiving the payment in Raven. That is actually how Zpool work. You can mine this and then you receive your payment in Raven. You can also receive your payment in any other cryptocurrency that you want, but then we are receiving this payment in Raven. So guys, if this video is helpful, do not forget to smash like, share it with your friends, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Stay safe and peace.